Hey friends, so had the power go out the other day and it kind of destroyed my outdoor low voltage transformer. So we're going to remove that and replace it with this Hampton Bay low voltage 60 watt digital transformer. Alright, so here's my other one. I'm going to pull this off here. Sorry, little spiders. Okay. Let's get this hooked up, shall we? First of all, we're going to unbox this thing and show you what's inside. Alright, let's open this box up here, shall we? It's quite similar to the other one, I believe, that we're replacing. That's it for the box in there. Oh, that is really kind of dusty. Okay, so we have the plug-in. Not seeing the... Are you kidding me? I think it's supposed to have a digital sensor here that tells you... let's see. Select transformer. It's supposed to have a little sensor, I believe, that tells you remote photocell. Yeah. So that's awesome. This one doesn't have a remote photocell in there. Okay, so time to go back to the store, I guess, and get a new one. So much for that. We'll put this on hold for a second, I guess. Okay, my friends, I'm back. So I had to do a little exchange there. Now we have our new box, and it actually has all the hardware in there this time. And open it up over there to make sure it did. So this one looks actually new. So there we go. We have this. Comes the little, this one I opened earlier didn't even have this. So I do have a few lights there I'm running. And this is going to be our little light sensor. That's going to plug into the bottom there, right back under there, and screw on in there. This is our photocell. It allows you to turn it on when the lights, or when it gets dim, the lights will come on automatically. Okay, so do not immerse in water, obviously. Blast. All right, so that's that, my friends. Let's go ahead and get this set up in place. I wonder if I can do this on the inside and run this photocell outside. I'm going to try to do that. That will keep it on the inside of the garage here. So give me a second here. All right, here we are with the old one. I'll unscrew these wires real quick. Okay, same with the other one. Back there. Okay, that's that. Pull that out. So there's the old one. Now, what I'm going to try to do is run those wires on the inside so my transformer can be on the inside here. Oh yeah, we should have enough. Through here. Okay. And try to push it through. Push it through right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna go. Hopefully. There we go. Okay. Now that we have that, we're gonna go on the other side of the wall here. There we go. We'll clean out all the spider webs and junk on there. Alright, so Yeah, my goodness. Let's take all those webs and junk off there, shall we? Lots of stuff in there. Okay. Okay, now that we have that, I think I'm going to mount my transformer on the wall here. So just 1 second. Yeah, so I'm going to mount this right under here. So you want to make sure that it's level. So I'm going to stick my level here. Make sure that is level. And it's kind of cool that they give you this little template with a sticker on the back. So that looks fairly level. We're going to put that right on there. And place that there. Let's see here. That looks pretty good to me. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put my screwdriver right here on the X, marks the spot. And I'll punch that in. And same thing with over here. Hopefully that's still level. All right, I'm going to take my sheetrock anchors and screw those into the wall here. Just like that. Okay, now the sensor should be able to mount right on the screws here. So that's what we're going to do. Screw this in there like that. Just like that. Okay, now let's go hook up our wires to the transformer there. Okay, so I fed my little sensor wire through there too. We'll pull our other wires through here. Looks good. Okay. So what we want to do now with our wires, let go. Like, what's going on here? Oh, okay. Little special moment there. It's like fizzled or what? No? Okay. Okay, so on the back of your thing, sorry, let me get a little bit better view there. So one is labeled COM, and one is 12 or 15 volts. So I'm going to run one of these wires onto COM, and one onto, I think we're going to do 15 volt. Let's do those real quick. Okay. And what we're going to do is loop our wire around that and stick it in there. That's going to hopefully go down in there nicely. Kind of get a loop there if we can. Okay. Come on, buddy. Alright, now let's try to screw that in there. Well, of course it's not going to cooperate, is it? We make it cooperate. Okay, there's that, and the phone's ringing. 1 second. Okay, so that was not important. Get our other one out here. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so that's going to hook around there, just like the other one. Hopefully, go in a little easier. Alright, get in there. Okay, our wires are hooked up. We're almost ready for liftoff here. Let's undo this, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm going to hook up our little light sensor photocell here, and that basically, the two little prongs, there's only one way it can go in there because it's like a little half moon shaped thing. Let's get your prongs in there and push it in. Follow that up with your little cord wire here that screws that onto there. Hypothetically, yeah, there we go. Alright, so this is going to be on the inside of the garage. Kind of out of the weather is nice. Okay, that's that. Let's hang this up on the wall there. My goodness, I got some dust on there. And there's our little wall mount right there. Okay, so let's try to hook that up on there, just like it's supposed to be, and let's plug it in. See if it works. Okay. Okay, so it says auto. I'm just going to turn manual on. It's off. On. Alright, let's go look and see. That's on. And you can see that my light just came on there. And all those little lights are on right there. So, awesome. Super happy that it's working. So on at dusk is what I want, and off at dawn. You can turn that on auto, so that turned the lights off. I'm going to set up my little solar cell in a better place and call it good, so let's do that real quick. Okay, so basically I didn't want to put another screw in my house, so I just twist tied this to that. And I'm just going to clip it right there. I think I'll tuck the wire up under the rocks here and run it up there. But that's the gist of it. So let's go ahead and cover. Let's see if we can give you a view of the light here. So I'm going to cover up the photocell, and it comes on, and I take my thumb off. It should go off there in a second. But it's pretty dark. It's almost dusk out here anyway, so that stays on no problem, but looks like it's working great. So thanks for watching this install, my friends. Hopefully it lasts for a long time, and we'll see you next time with another how-to video.